To track EveryDollar savings goals, start by setting up your account and creating a budget. Log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the Goals section, where you can set specific savings targets, such as building an emergency fund or paying off debt. Begin by assigning a name to your goal and setting a target amount. Then choose a deadline for reaching your goal. EveryDollar allows you to set a specific date or a time frame, such as a number of months or years. Once you have created your goal, you can track your progress by regularly updating your budget and recording income and expenses. EveryDollar will automatically calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal on time. It is essential to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your savings goals. You can also set reminders and notifications to help you stay on track and motivated. In addition to tracking your progress, EveryDollar provides tools to help you stay focused on your goals, such as customizable charts and graphs to visualize your progress. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To get the most out of tracking your EveryDollar savings goals, make sure to set realistic and achievable targets, and regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track. By following these steps and using the tools provided by EveryDollar, you can effectively track your savings goals and make progress towards achieving financial stability and security. By tracking your savings goals with EveryDollar, you can take control of your finances and make intentional decisions about how you allocate your income. This helps you prioritize your spending and make progress towards your long-term financial objectives.